This is Janam Sukanya from Mizoram University, and today my presentation will be on mean deviation. How we are going to calculate mean deviation for a given set of data. So in this slide, we are going to know what exactly mean deviation is and how we are going to calculate the mean deviation. Mean deviation is defined as a statistical measure which is used to calculate the average deviation from the mean value of the given data set. This means first we are going to calculate the mean, then from that we are going to calculate the average deviation as the steps as mentioned below in the slide. Step 1, find the mean value for the given data values. Step 2, we are going to subtract mean value from each of the data value given. If the answer came in the minus symbol, then we are going to ignore, because in the formula the deviation will be in mode. Mode always help us to ignore the minus symbol. Step 3, now we are going to find the mean of those values obtained in step 2. So this is the mean deviation formula. Here what we are going to do is, this is the formula. Summation F means frequency, and this mode inside D, that means mode will help us to ignore the minus symbol, and divided by summation of F, summation of frequency, where summation represent the addition of values. This is our question, where we are going to calculate mean deviation from the mean for the following data set. These are the marks which students score. 5 students scored the marks between 0 to 10, 8 students scored the marks between 10 to 20, 15 students scored the marks between 20 to 30, and so on. So this is our solution, where this is already given, the class intervals are already given, and these are the frequency which is already given in the equation. But we have to calculate the mid value. How we are going to calculate the mid value is, in the class interval 0, lower alphabet and uppercase. Lowercase and uppercase we are going to add, divided by 2. We are going to get 5. Right? In the same way, what we are going to do, we are going to do for 15. Lowercase 10 plus uppercase 20 divided by 2, we are going to get 15. So this is our midpoint. And in the same way, 25, 35 and 45. So here, after this, after calculating the mid value 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45, we are going to calculate the frequency into mid value. So here 5 into 5 25, 5 into 8 120, 25 into 15 375, 35 into 16 560, 45 into 6 270, and this is our total submission of frequency into midpoint is 1350, and this is the frequency, and this will be the submission of total frequency will be 50. So here we are going to calculate the mean. This is the simple mean formula, where we are going to do the summation of total frequency into midpoint divided by summation of frequency. Summation of frequency into midpoint is 3350 divided by 50. We get 27. So 27 is our mean. So in this slide, after calculating the mean, we have to calculate the deviation. This is not the deviation, but for this is the only step to calculate the deviation. Here what we are going to do, we already know the mean. What is the mean? Mean is 27, right? So here what we are doing, we are subtracting the mean from mid value. 5 into 25 minus 27 22, 15 minus 27 12. In the same way we are getting this. Then what we are doing in the last step, what we are going, this will be our last step. What we are doing in this, frequency into this one, deviation. 5 into 22 110, 8 into 12 96, 15 into 2, 30, and 128 and 108. This is the total summation of our deviation. So formula of deviation we are going to see is here. Here this is the last step where we are going to calculate the mean deviation. This is the formula of mean deviation. Here what we are doing, summation of frequency into deviation divided by summation of frequency. In the before slide, what we are going to do is, this is 472 summation of frequency into deviation, right? And this is summation of frequency is 50, and this is summation of frequency into mid value is 1350. We'll apply this all in the formula. So summation of frequency into deviation will be 472 divided by summation of frequency is 50. When we divide, we get this 9.44, and the last answer, the mean deviation we get is 9.44 will be the answer. Same like this, we are going to calculate for everything which we calculate the mean deviation. So here my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you even like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button in this. Thank you.